Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crochet lavender flower. It's a soft, elegant project that adds a lovely spring touch to your home. This one works up really fast. It's a great way to use up your scrap yarn, and it makes such a lovely handmade gift. You can display it in a vase, use it in a crochet flower bouquet, or even add it to a gift package. They look so pretty, and you can use them in so many ways. We'll be using cotton yarn and a 2.5mm hook. And yes, this project is super beginner friendly. So let's get started. To begin your crochet lavender flower, make a slip knot first and then chain 6. Now work a double crochet into the 3rd chain. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. That gives us a nice step down. Then into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. And into the last chain, make a slip stitch, just like that, nice and easy. Now chain 6. Now we're just going to repeat that same little shape again. And this is what starts building that lovely lavender texture. Again, work a double crochet into the 3rd chain. Into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Then into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. And in the last chain, make a slip stitch. Chain 6 again. Try to keep your stitches nice and even here so everything stays neat. Starting in the 3rd chain, work a double crochet, then a half double crochet, then a single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Just keep repeating the same steps until your crochet lavender flower is as tall as you'd like. This project works up really fast, and it's a great way to use up your scrap yarn. If you're planning to make a whole bouquet later, this is a great time to save this tutorial so you can come back to it anytime. I worked the sections side by side, and I ended up with 35 in total. After your last section, chain 1 and cut the yarn here. All right, now let's make the leaf. Now let's make the leaf with your green yarn. Make your slip knot first, then chain 18. That's 18 chains. I'm going to use some copper wire here to give the leaf structure and help it hold its shape. Starting in the 3rd chain, work 3 single crochets and keep the wire running along the inside as you go. Now work 10 half double crochets in a row. If you enjoy crochet flower projects, let me know in the comments which flower I should make next. After those 10 half double crochets, work 3 single crochets in a row. In the last chain, work 2 single crochets, chain 3, and then 2 more single crochets, and that forms the tip of the leaf. Now turn your piece and work back along the other side to finish the leaf. Turn your piece around. Now work 2 single crochets. Keep the wire centered inside so the leaf keeps a neat shape. Along those bottom chains, work 10 half double crochets. If you enjoy written patterns too, you can also check my website for more beginner-friendly crochet patterns and ideas. After the 10 half double crochets, make 2 single crochets. We're almost done with the leaf now. It's looking really nice. Into the last stitch, work 2 single crochets, chain 3, and 1 single crochet. If this tutorial is helping you so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, and then cut the yarn. Now, weave that yarn tail through the back stitches as neatly as you can to hide it. Following the same steps, go ahead and make one more leaf. For the lavender stem, I'm going to use a wooden skewer like this. Then we're going to wrap green yarn around the skewer. This simple step makes the stem look much cleaner and more finished. After wrapping the skewer, take the purple piece and wrap it around the stem to create that beautiful lavender look. You can make just one stem, or turn it into a full crochet flower bouquet. Both options look beautiful. After assembling your lavender flower, glue the leaves wherever you like as the final step. And now, your lavender project is almost done. It turned out so elegant. Once the leaves are attached, your crochet lavender flower is complete. That's everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Take care, my friends, and happy crocheting!